How to extract text from pictures in Microsoft PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract text from pictures in Microsoft PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta install the PowerToys application. To do that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store. Go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. And if you have not installed this application before, you'll be able to see an install button. Once done, you should see open, click on it, and you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. After that, you gotta go to the search bar at the top and you're gonna type in Text Extractor. Type it down and then click on Text Extractor, and right next to it, you'll be able to see the toggle button. So you're gonna simply toggle it on and you're gonna see your activation shortcut. So for my PC, it's Windows key plus Shift and T. So let's just press these buttons. I'm going to click on Windows button, Shift and T, and then simply select the area that you want to extract the text from. So I extracted this shortcut. To check that, I'm going to go to the search bar here and I'm going to paste that down. And now you can see that the shortcut text has been copied. So well, that is how you can extract text from images in PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.